Hello, in this video, I am going to show you how you can delete your Instagram account from the browser. So you can use any type of browser, but here I will prefer Chrome. So go to the Chrome and search for Instagram.com and go to it. When you go to the Instagram.com, you have to log in to your account. But here I have already logged in to my account. So to delete your account, first you have to go to your profile and go to the settings. The settings icon will be in your upper left corner and go to it. Here you have to go to the help center. When you go to the help center, here in the search bar, you have to write delete account and go to it. When you search for the delete account, it will open another browser in front of you. Make sure that you have a stable internet here to work properly. So when you search for it, you will see different options here. So go to the how do I delete my Instagram account. When this thing is open in front of you, scroll down and go to delete your account. And here it will open two options in front of you. You have to delete your account from the browser, so I will go with the browser. When you go to the browser, here you have to give the option that why you are deleting your account. You can select any option which is bothering you. And then you have to enter your password here. When you enter your password, you have to scroll down and go to the delete your account and select OK. So when you select this, the Instagram will automatically delete the account. Thank you.